We have a little hard drive over here. Pick. Let me put the other one. Pick, pick. But it's not changing the instrument on the mouthpiece. It's inside here. If you want to produce different type of sound, you have to adjust your lips, the inside your mouth, in the way you project the note, in the way that your tongue articulate. It's no trick, it's no, it didn't change, there's no addition over here, the same camera, same thing. Bottom line is, you're never going to be able to produce the kind of sound that you don't hear before you start playing.